Dyslexic genius here, Brett Hurt. I'm back on the Edisonic motor rebuild, and I'm going to talk about the speed control and the speed control fork, which is this piece here. And this piece here fits in like this. So what I want to show you is, you see this one, this felt is darker than this felt. That's because this felt is dried out. I oiled this one, but now I'm going to oil this one. And before you assemble, you want to take your illustrious sewing machine oil and just
You got that bottle on Amazon?
got the bottle on Amazon. There we go. Oiled. And then you can feel how softer this one is, and this one was rough. And I'll give the other one a little bit touch too, and I'll show you how to assemble this. There we go. This fits in like this. First, you reach underneath, and this is the speed control. This is fast, this is slow. So we're going to set it at slow all the way. You're going to insert this here. I'm going to put that right there. Next, we're going to oil just this thread. You don't need to oil up here.
Why do you oil the thread?
Because when you take it back apart 100 years from now, you want to get it apart, and you want to make sure that there's no rust on it. And this piece goes right there. And one thing I do about this is I always am checking the screwdriver size to the screw head. And this comes down, and it will go like that. And now we will take the tiny one.
So you tighten the screws firmly on that then?
Yeah, we got that one oiled. Almost had it. There we go. And that has a little lip on it that fits right here. And that's so that it can do this. Now, I bet
So you don't tighten that one down super tight?
It bottoms out. They both have a shoulder, and the shoulder bottoms out. So it just sits here.
Okay.
It floats. So when you move the speed control, there we go. I'm going to slow it down. I'm going to have it wide open. There we go. Now, I bet you wonder what that screw's for. That screw is oblong, and it moves the top of this back and forth for the tension on the spring. So you come up here, and you hook.
Oh, there's a tiny spring there.
Yep, tiny spring. There we go.
Okay.
Now you're going to take a pair of needle nose pliers, and you're going to bend the spring like that. Now, I'm going to put a big screwdriver in here. See it move?
I do see it move.
Mm-hmm. And this is here and here. It's also a fine adjustment for the speed once the motor's in the machine. You can come up here and you can turn it with a screwdriver, but they're a real booger to get to. And that's my tip for the day.